Hello. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you publish your website so that you can get a web link to give to your students so they can go to your site. You can also think of the publish button right up here as a save button. So when you change or edit anything on your website, it will be saved for when you want to come back later and edit some more. When you're in edit mode, go to the big blue publish button right up here, the top right hand corner, and click. After Weebly processes and publishes your website, it will give you a web link that you will be able to copy and give to your friends or send to anyone, share with anyone, so they will be able to go and look at your site. Here it is right there. Note that they cannot edit your site. Only you can do that unless you make someone else an administrator, like in the case of a group of your students doing a project, so they can all work on the site individually that they're working on and change it. That's it. Create, edit, and publish your Weebly website.